In today's video, we'll be making Sobolo or Zobo drink for the kids. So in essence, kid-friendly Sobolo or Zobo. They can take it to school or drink it at home, so please stay with me. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for my kid-friendly Sobolo. So I've soaked the Sobolo. I did for about 30 minutes before I started the recipe. So in this saucepan is my soaked Sobolo. I'm going to be adding my pineapple peels and then go ahead and add in some cloves. Cloves have a subtle licorice flavor, or minty if you like, so it's good for kids as well, and it has very good health benefits. I'm going to cover and allow to boil, but meanwhile, I have here some pineapples, apples, and ginger. I'm going to blend and then strain out the juice, and I'll add it to my Sobolo later. So as you can see, my Sobolo has boiled down beautifully. I'll turn off the heat and then allow it to cool down a bit before going ahead to strain into a bowl. So because I'm targeting kids in this recipe, I would advise that you strain the Sobolo twice. I'll assume that most kids like their fruit juices to be smooth, unless of course you have a kid that loves the smoothies as well. So this is the second strain. Unfortunately, I didn't get very sweet pineapple, so my juice was not that sweet. So I went ahead to add in sugar in this recipe. You can add any sweetener of your choice. Dates, honey, whatever sweetener you have is okay, alright? And if you get fruits that are very sweet, you can just omit the sugar totally. And I'm adding my sugar now because my Sobolo is still warm, so it will help dissolve the sugar nicely. And then I'll go ahead and give my pineapple juice a second strain into my Sobolo. So for the perfect kid-friendly Sobolo, I'll say 1 part of Sobolo to 1 part juice. So even though I eyeballed this, for example, if you're going to be using 1 cup of Sobolo juice or Sobolo liquid, do another part, which is 1 part of pineapple juice to balance the taste out. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Yasmi, and this is Taste and Bloom My Kitchen. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're so welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. And please do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you are one of the first people to be notified. Also, once you're done watching the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video. Thank you so much. So now I'll go ahead and mix both juices so they are very well combined. So to store your Sobolo, you can put them into bottles or plastic containers and freeze, okay, put in the fridge. But if they are going to take it to school, I would advise that you freeze them totally in the freezer and then put them in their bag. I'm sure by the time they're ready to drink it, it would have thawed down beautifully and then they can still enjoy it. But also you can pour this into small rubbers like the way we do abele in Ghana or small cups and then enjoy it as an ice cream or abele walls if you like. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you're going to try this recipe. Please give me a feedback when you do. Follow me on all my other social media platforms, and until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.